Game. Bango na. Okay, welcome to Unbox. We're back. This is actually the official first episode because the first one that we shot last week was 0.
Zero.
So of course, we have with us back the ever so lovely Nax. Namiss ko yan.
Tapos sinabi ko ba, kunyari, suming na ako.
And then, namiss ko talaga. Tagal na kita hindi nakikita, no? Of course, si Alora's Legs.
Alora's Legs?
Yung legs, ah.
Kaya lang nasa ilalim ng
page
mesa.
yung Alora's Legs.
Oo, may fan page ka na daw.
May Facebook fan page na ba yun?
And then, of course, si Alora is back. So, palakpakan naman natin siya. Yay!
After more than 6 countries.
Oo nga eh. Kung saan na napapadpad yan. Big time na kasi, big time na. Hindi na natin ma-reach. Si Paolo nagpapapayat pa rin. So,
Ay, super payat na.
so Paolo, pag nanonood ka, gusto sana namin gumawa ng special episode, Paolo's Weight Loss Tips. Hindi ko na sabihin ko ano yung rule number 1. na pinag-usapan natin kanina.
Ba't nagiging showbiz na naman to? Wait na.
Oy, boy, abundo ng tech world, di ba? Yun ang gusto kong panghawakan na equity. Patay tayo dyan, mga love life, di ba? For example, The Who, ang isang, sabihin natin, from a local brand na kakabigay lang ng kakanganak lang. O, di ba? Kilala niyo kung sino yun? Ay, wala na pala siya, no? Nag-resign na pala siya.
Wait,
ayun, tips yun, ha? Hindi kasi kayo nagpa-follow sa Instagram ng mga tech people.
Oh my God, sorry.
Mamaya, chismis ko sa'yo.
Okay, sige.
But anyway, game, simula na tayo. So, to kick things off, we have with us one of the more, controversial and talk-worthy Android. May ganun na, take note. Android smartphones. Si Nokia X. So, si John will take us through it first since you've been able to, spend like a few hours with it. Tapos from there, we can open up to discussion from everybody here. Then, by the way, stay tuned, watch the whole app. We have 2 very special guests and a lot more announcements later. So, abangan ninyo yan. So, I'll turn you over to
John.
There.
Ayan, ito yung mic.
There.
Sorry, I was basically just trying to find the right camera. Okay, so today we have the Nokia X with us, and if you've been following the posts that we've been doing on Unbox, you all know that this is the first ever Android-powered Nokia phone.
Android-powered.
And we say Android because wala siyang Google services, basically. So
Officially,
wala siyang Google
but
services.
you
can put the APK inside, so it'll still work. Pero officially, it doesn't have any kind of Google services inside it. Ang ginawa nila, they basically changed it out. They either put in Microsoft services, which is Outlook, or Nokia services as well. So Nokia here, basically that's their maps. Maraming nag-comment na yung presyo niya, which is around 5,990 if I'm not mistaken.
5 or 6,990?
5,990.
Yes.
Okay.
It's too expensive for what it is. Basically, it has let me read off here. It's a Qualcomm MSM 825 Snapdragon S4 Play processor, which is basically just 1 gigahertz na dual core. It's 512 MB of RAM, 4 gig of memory, pero expandable naman siya. Yun. So, aside from that, one of the nice things about it is yung OS niya. Although this is Android, they tried to replicate the look and feel of the OS of Lumia series and the Asha series inside. So basically, this is it. If you look at it, they're similar.
Almost the same.
They're almost the same.
Pero more of di ba? More of Asha yung dating niya.
Yes. Sobrang Asha, it actually has the fast lane, which is actually present in the Asha series. Ang Nokia naman, nung in-announce nila to, when they were announcing it, they were very parang sinabi agad nila, we made it like this so people will, in the hopes na they're gonna get hooked on the OS and the services, and they will upgrade later on to more expensive Lumia phones. So basically, feeder siya.
Yeah, it's a hook.
It's a hook, basically. Yeah. Parang kung drug lord, ito, konti lang muna. Tapos mamaya, madami na. Ayun na, ganon.
Until they want to get the...
What a bad example.
Yeah, drugs are bad, kids. Pero, yun yun eh. That's their thinking na. They're gonna get hooked dun sa services na binibigay ng Nokia. And sooner or later, when
Level up.
decide to upgrade, you'll buy a Lumia phone.
Pero it's like saying na we can't make a Lumia phone cheaper than 6,000 pesos.
That's it. And that's also it. We were talking about it during the lunch. This is basically Nokia saying we're gonna use Android because the
Hardware.
the hardware also and the
Licensing.
and the license fees
Licensing.
for Microsoft is just too expensive.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
To make a phone around this price point. So, ayun. And the price point pala, roughly equivalent to 5,500. So, konti lang talaga yung nadagdag dun sa taxes and duties. And they got the phone here like around very, very fast.
bilis.
Parang
Yeah.
around 2
Yeah.
weeks.
Oo
Parang
nga.
from
Kasi
announcement
after
to-
the, di ba, Mobile World
It's
Congress,
just basically,
Yeah,
invite-
ayan na.
2 weeks, it's here. Okay. So,
yeah, that's why when I got the invite, I was
Yeah.
surprised. Sabi ko, X na to.
Agad,
Yeah,
agad.
oo.
so I'll pass the phone around.
Unlike before
People
kasi,
want
di ba,
to-
kung nakikita nyo, matagal siya
Build up.
dumating
Like,
sa
for
Pilipinas.
example, yung Samsung S5, wala pa dito. Di ba?
Wala pa.
So, ganun yung lead time usually eh.
Yeah,
Ng mga,
yeah, yeah.
Pag mag-ano.
sa microphone.
So, sorry. So, yung lead, sorry na. So, yung lead time ng pag-release ng phones, usually medyo matagal. Mga 1 month, 2
Yeah.
months at
But
least.
no, historically, kung titingnan mo, yung Nokia, matagal talaga.
Yeah. True,
Versus
true.
versus other
Which actually tells you
manufacturers.
kung ano yung, what they want the Nokia X to be. And pag tinignan mo talaga yung tina-target nila, so bakit dumating agad sa atin?
Yes.
Because they know the smartphone market locally is booming. Pero not the high end,
Oo,
It's
ito
the low end.
yung mga mid-end
The low-
and the budget devices.
the budget. Oo.
Okay.
So, dito na ako.
So, nakakahawak ulit ako ng microphone. Di ba, pag may sponsors na kami, dadagdagan namin ng isa pang microphone to. Pero kumasya naman
Oh my
tayo 5. Di ba?
I didn't even notice that one.
Di ba? So, siguro let's throw it over to, first to Nicole, no? You've
Yes.
been in tech for a while. Well, a while talaga, no?
A while.
So, ikaw, having seen a lot of things from the technology scene, what do you think about this one? Do you think it's something that will pick up locally? Or is it something na parang, alam mo yun, maingay lang sa simula tapos hindi rin magte-take up sa market?
Ang concern ko yun parang maingay lang siya sa simula pero hindi siya magte-take off. Pero yung build niya, it's
Still
pansin
Nokia.
mo, Nokia na
how's,
Nokia pa rin.
how's the Asha doing ba? Did you know?
I don't know. Pero sabi nila yung bumibenta daw talaga yung yung alam niyo yung 520. Well, that's worldwide.
Yeah.
I wouldn't know.
Yeah, locally.
Siguro we should invite somebody from
Yeah.
Nokia. And
I
they
would
should
love
sponsor
to
the
know-
show.
I would love to know
Hint,
how
hint,
their
hint.
products are doing, including the Asha even. And if the Asha is doing well, then maybe that will do well. Kasi
Correct.
konti na lang yung difference di ba? How much is the Asha?
499.
Oh, 4. Then you'll get that one.
What's interesting is that Nokia actually basically just said na the Lumia line is basically the high end now. This
Yeah.
will be the mid end and dun sa
Asha.
bordering on the low end, and they're gonna push the Asha down to the
Down
budget.
pa.
Talagang pinaka-budget.
Okay. So magkano kaya yan?
Actually, imagine mo kung may Asha ka na 1,000 pesos. Game changer yun, ha?
Oh my God.
Oo, Asha na 1,000 pesos.
Kung magagawa nila yon.
Oo, mukha nga lang silang... Feeling ko pag nahawakan ko yun, tapos ganyanin ko, masira ko. Or pag naupuan ko, good luck. Parang yung laptop mo,
Ewan
Iso, na
ko,
pinagmamalaki na may Gorilla Glass.
Sorry, pero Nokia the hardware has always been good. I mean, generally.
Correct.
Yeah.
Totoo yan, totoo
So
yan.
that's why I like the
The
build.
problem with the Nokia X, the problem with the Nokia X kasi is that a lot of people are saying na 5,990 pesos. It's hard to basically, parang ang hirap na i-justify yung ganong klaseng. Yes, considering you can get a quad-core device,
Yeah.
smartphone, basically for the same price.
The thing is,
has a bigger
the
screen.
brand.
Yes.
We're
Yun
talking
din
now
eh.
about the brand.
There's also this parang people remember Nokia as being almost
Yeah.
indestructible.
You know what?
51.
You know what? Yeah, even on Yahoo, yung sa articles, ay pucha mas, sorry.
Yes. We're all adults. It's fine. You can swear, but not a lot. Please.
But it's always been, kasi other products, it's usually, alam mo naman nagko-comment talaga dun. Grabe talaga yung negative na comments.
Maraming love na commenter si
Pero
John sa
pagka
Unbox.
Nokia, I don't know why, ang generally positive yung...
Nostalgia.
Yeah.
Well, because a lot of people who are capable of buying phones now, siguro, they went through a Nokia phone. And people remember
Definitely,
pag sobrang tibay ng phone mo. Kaya nga, marami rin nagko-comment na, may mga nagko-comment sa website na, ang pangit yan, masyadong mahal for the price. Tapos sasabihin na, wag mong ko-compare sa local, ganun. Kasi iba naman yung the experience of people with Nokia phones before were generally positive. And if you look at the phone now, maganda talaga. Nokia no one else can make a polycarb unibody.
Ito, binigay na naman to. Okay, so testing natin na. Sabi nila matibay. Woo!
Okay.
Buhay pa?
Buhay pa.
Okay. Naging PE si Adrian. Ano ba yan? Kakahiya tayo.
Buhay pa naman.
Buhay pa?
naman.
Okay, yay!
Layo yun
By the way, medyo malayo yun. Pwede kang mag-baseball.
Diba?
Buhay pa naman.
Hanggang doon.
Pero just to add, no, so sabihin natin diba yung 6,000 is a point of concern. Kasi why? For example, si Star Mobile, may magagandang telepono na yan below that price. Si THL din, meron. Obvious na ba ko sino yung next two guests?
Kinda.
Diba? Pero ako, at take ko lang sa Nokia, I think people, those who really like the brand will end up buying it. Diba? The ones who are really die-hard. Anong term nila? Nokia-natics. Yun daw yun. The Nokia fan page, the Nokia Philippines fan page is one of the most active fan pages in the country for tech. So that has to count for something. Diba?
Yes.
So para sa akin yun lang yung take ko on this one. So it's already available na ba ito?
Yep, it's already available. Even when it was initially launched, meron na sa mga stores.
Meron na.
So
grabe. Ang bilis. Ang bilis talaga.
So, ikaw Ison, baka may gusto ka lang i-share bago tayo mag-move on to the next take mo dito.
Ecosystem lang talaga.
Ay, kwento ko lang kasi kanina ko lang ito nahawakan. So sabi ko, ang unang dina-download ko since medyo lately addict ako sa Instagram. So pumunta ako sa store nila dito, walang Instagram. Oy, Amil, sorry alam ko friends tayo. Pero kasalanan yun. Imagine mo, ang Windows Phone may Instagram, pero ito wala.
Or can you side-load it?
The more expensive ones.
Yeah, pero alam mo yun, I'm a fan of convenience.
Fine, okay, sige. Sige na nga.
Alam, di pa ganun. I'm a fan of convenience.
Pero Nokia said naman, they'll be parang adding more apps to their Nokia. Kasi yung App Store dito is basically curated ng Nokia, meaning sila yung pumipili kung anong ilalagay.
Well, kung di nila pinili Instagram, there's something wrong with their curator.
Well, let's see how it goes. Yeah,
okay.
But this is very important. The apps.
Anyway, yan yung Nokia X. It's already available sa mga diehard fans dyan. 5990, check it out. The reviews, I think, are up. Do we have a review in this?
We have an initial review. Unboxing, pero wala pang review. The review will be...
Sa Yahoo, meron na ba?
Wala pang review.
May sinulat ka na ba about this?
Yes, of course.
Okay, so ano yung URL ng Technostorm?
I was
ano yung URL ulit ng Technostorm?
ph.news.yahoo.com/technostorm.
Wow, kabisa.
Or i-google nyo Yahoo Technostorm. Haba na sinabi mo eh. Diba?
I-google na lang.
Mag-invest nga kayo sa shirt links, yung bit.ly/Technostorm.
Ay, meron. Bit.ly.
/ Technostorm.
Yeah.
Oh, yun. Yun na lang yun. Yun na lang sabihin mo.
Pag ginugol ko yun ngayon, yun na lalabas.
Oh, but anyway, yan yung... saan ba ako titingin? Ang dami nating camera. Ito?
Ito.
Okay, so ito yung Nokia X. Okay? So, abangan ninyo yan. Full review should be up on Unbox soon and of course on Yahoo Technostorm. Okay? Next, we have... by the way, lalabas din to sa next issue ng Speed. Dahil tumutulong ako paminsan-minsan sa kanila. So, kasi isa dyan umalis.
Poker
so,
notice mo, next
boy, apunta ng tech!
Next issue ng Speed, Poker Face.
Okay, game.
I know nothing.
So next na...
Wait. Pa Philippine Star din.
Mga racketeer!
Well, actually, yes, Philippine Star.
Oo, di ba?
Plug. Alam mo, hindi ko magets. Ba't ang Inquirer walang dissenting tech section?
Ay, nako.
May
Hindi ko muna pa...
Dapat mag-partnership kayo.
Hashtag chismis.
Alam ko meron silang plano.
Alam ko din, maganda yung plano nila. Abangan na lang natin.
Yeah.
Okay,
I
so...
won't say anything kasi Paolo will kill me.
Oo, pero alam ko maganda yung plano nila. Okay, so next, we'll go into... We have a new segment. Sa mga sumusunod sa akin, alam niyo mahilig ako sa toys.
Ay, nako, yes.
Sa collectibles.
Pero ako Hong Kong to buy a toy. Pero
Ano bibili mo?
iba.
Ano klaseng toy yan?
Ibang toy.
Teka lang.
Alora.
Pag-guess natin, anong hashtag ang gamitin natin? Aloras New Toy?
Yari tayo dyan. But anyway, pakita ko lang ito sandali. So, pwede ba natin zoom dito sa... Yan o. Oh.
Hoy, Attack on Titan si sa akin.
Lalabas 1/6 scale. Abangan mo. January. So, ewan ko kung nakikita nyo, this is actually yung Batpod. Ayan o. Tapos si Selena Kyle, played by Anne Hathaway. So, harap natin yung mukha niya.
Barbie doll na Barbie
diba?
doll eh.
Barbie yan. Pwede mo humbaran yan. May boobs. So, ganun.
Something tells me ginawa mo na.
Diba? Kasi kung makita mo, maganda talaga yung Batpod. It's actually big, no? It's not small. Nandyan yung guns, nandyan yung... Maganda yung material, nandito yung rubber. Actually, real tire yata ito yung ginamit nila for this one.
Pang dirt yung tire, kitang-kita.
Tapos pwede mo actually isakay dito si Batman kung meron ka. Yung DX12 na figure. So, pwede mo ilagay dyan si Batman na nakaganon. Yung post talaga na pang Batman. Or si...
Ay, sa Hot Toys?
Oh, this one is Hot Toys.
Yeah.
So, yung maganda rin sa kanya,
yung
pwede
nasa
mo
Instagram
actually... Yan o.
Nice.
May ilaw, di ba? So may battery siya, pwede mo yung on yung ilaw. So maganda siya pang display. So it's not actually small, no? Kaya ako siya dinala kasi sometimes when people see the pictures, feeling nila maliit.
Yeah, nalilitan sila.
Oo.
Di ba? Pero
Yeah.
pag pakita ko in video, in relation sabihin natin to size, it actually looks bigger. So for example, dadamputin ko siya para makita ninyo. So, tingnan mo, yan o, malaki siya eh.
Nokia X for
Mas malaki pa sa akin.
So Nokia X for scale, di ba?
Apat na ganito. Medyo
Di
malaki.
ba? So ito yung Nexus 5, di ba? Malaki talaga siya. So maganda siyang pang-collector's item. Yan ang gumugulong. Woo. Pero hindi siya battery powered, so ganyan lang yan. Di ba? So yan si Selena Kyle. Pwede mo alisin, pwede mo
Ano ba
i-pose.
itong nag-rotate na gano'n?
Hindi.
Hindi.
Pag ganyan lang siya. So anyway, so this is actually the, yun nga, Hot Toys 1/6 scale Batpod and Selena Kyle. It sells for an obscene amount of money. Ayaw na.
Ayaw na
You just say it. Why don't you say it?
Hindi ko
It's
na
Hot Toys
sabihin.
naman eh.
Well, si Selena Kyle, yung brand new niyan siguro mga nasa
Yeah.
10 to 12.
Oo.
Pero kung makaswerte kayo, pwede mo kuha ng mga 8 to 9. Yung Batpod, yung pinakamababang makuha nyo 15. But usually it sells for around 18 to 20.
Yeah. Where did you get yours ba?
Usually from online sa mga forums.
Okay.
Kasi mahal pag sa Green Hills eh.
Sa Hong Kong.
Mas mura
Pa.
doon. Mas mura sa Hong Kong.
Yeah. Sobra.
So, ito yung Batpod. Ngayon, next week, dadaling ko yung, well, good luck kung kakarga ko, yung Tumbler.
Bakit?
Yung Batmobile.
Yung bats
Oh!
Yung malaki, yung gamit ni Christian Bale. Kakabili ko lang eh. So,
Okay.
dito.
Hindi ko lang paano lalagay dito, pero it's really, really big.
Yeah.
Okay, so i-post lang natin siya dyan. So,
Hindi nga kasya sa trunk.
diba? So at least pag nakikita nyo nagpo-post ako ng mga laruan, alam nyo na yung general size. Tapos magdadala rin ako mga anime. Meron akong mga Attack on Titan
Oo.
na laruan.
Sorry.
O,
Tsaka
diba?
FF8.
Ay, alam ko niregalo ko sa'yo. May binigay sa akin yung Great Toys Online. They're one of the toy stores near Green Hills.
Yeah.
Yung parang cloak, yung sa Survey Corps, yung green
Oh.
na may hood.
Ano? Gano'ng kalaki?
Eh, obviously, di kakasya sa akin. Di ba wala naman yata Survey Corps sa kasi laki ko. Kakayanin ba ako nung nila, yung ganon. Hindi yata ako kaya ng ganon nila eh. But anyway, pwede ako pang Titan, no? Di ba si Alore yung yung Survey Corps. Dadaling ko next week, bigay ko na lang sa'yo.
Sige.
Magpantasya ka na ikaw si Mikasa or something. Okay, but anyway, so, nasa na tayo? Nagulat tuloy ako.
Tapos na dyan.
Okay,
Next
so
will be-
for our next segment, we'll call on a very special guest, a very familiar face. He's been on the show
always
numerous
been.
times.
Yes.
Suke.
Both
Suki
as
na yan, pati si Kat.
Oh,
Ay,
actually.
sorry. Sabi ko na.
Na she's abroad no right now.
Yeah.
She's in the US vacationing with her boyfriend o fiancé?
Husband?
Boyfriend.
Ay, di ba?
Boyfriend.
Family.
Kasi nakita ko sa Instagram kasama niya yung boyfriend eh.
O, family na rin yun.
Grabe talaga chumismis. No?
Boya Bunda.
Ikaw ha, chinismis mo pa dito
Kailan
pa.
kaya mag-propose
online.
yung guy, no? Bagay naman sila eh.
Chismis ka talaga.
Oh my
So sana magkatuluyan sila. Hindi kasi mukhang happy naman sila sa isa. But anyway, so tawagin natin, sorry. Tawagin natin si Ison.
Ison, ano na naman?
Si Elijah Mendoza,
Mendoza.
Product Marketing Manager, correct? So dito ka po sa...
Star Mobile.
Ito, Ison, ano ka muna? Si Ison ay lalarga muna.
Come. Hello again.
Hello.
Okay, so yeah. Can you
It's
just
been a
say
while.
brand loyalty is intense?
I know.
No, it's screaming.
It's Monday. It's Monday. I had to wear yung prescribed office uniform.
Oh, really?
may ganun
Every
kayo.
Monday may ganito?
Wala. Kunwari lang.
Adrian, dapat meron din daw kayo THL t-shirt. Boxer.
Hindi pwede dito.
Oh, naka Star Mobile briefs din ako.
Nasa kalagay doon, reach for the star. Buti lang wala si Katrina dito kasi binabatok-batukan na tayo.
Pwede ba yung free yun?
Pwede, bago mo, alam ko meron kang mga bagong gustong, may bago kang gusto pakita.
Announcement.
Yes.
Pero baka pwede kamustahin muna natin, kamusta benta ni X1.
X1, magandang ang reception kay X1. Especially since octa-core siya. It's really the buzzword ngayon na that's circulating along the circles ng mga fans ng Star Mobile. And especially considering how premium the product looks, how it feels, how it performs. We've gotten very good reviews sa X1.
Yeah, actually, I saw the black one.
Yes.
It kicks the ass of the white one. Sorry,
I haven't seen the
mahilig
white
ako sa
one.
white na, well, actually ito red, so baseless yung sinabi, mahilig ako sa white. Pero nakita ko yung black and white, ang kinis nung itim.
Yes.
As in, grabe, sobrang kinis. Pwede mo ganyan sa mukha mo. Sa sarap ng pakiramdam. Wala lang.
Yung ilod, wala ka lang magawa.
So yung aluminum kasi niya mayroong parang special coating. I forgot what it's called, but ang ganda ng
So pag ginaganyan mo, nag-exfoliate.
Ikaw lang naman atang gusto mo.
Di ba parang ganyan, no? Pantanggal ng ano yan.
Sorry, share ba tayo ng mic dito?
Sweet kayo, sweet kayo.
Do it.
Hindi, pero so it's doing well.
Yes, so it is doing well relative of course to the size. Kasi to be honest, a phablet is parang may pagka-niche pa siya given yung size sa
what you were
Philippines.
saying,
Sa
you're in the
Filipinos.
Philippines, no?
Yes, oo.
Pero is it a growing category? I mean, sabihin natin from people coming from 4-inch to 5-inch smartphones.
It is kasi literally eye-opener ang phablet eh. It's like when you first use a 4-inch phone and then tumalong ka to 4.5, parang, uy, laki. And then from a 4.5, magpa 5 ka, palaki ng palaki, and the possibilities lumalaki. Diba?
Yeah.
Parang dati yung video masakit sa mata.
Mas
ngayon
maganda,
may-
mas malaki. Sige,
Oo,
tama.
di ba? Ngayon, kapansin mo, babad ka na sa phone mo or sa tablet mo.
Kasi videos lalo na.
Oo.
Ang sarap.
Masaya. Alor. Sige, tuloy.
You know what? I'm just looking at you guys. You're like laughing. Now
So-
I'm like lost. I don't
So,
know what I said.
ito take home natin. Elijah likes 6 inchers. Oh, diba?
Yes.
Pero seryoso, so it's a growing category.
Yes, it is a growing category.
Pero yung mga
Personally,
tanong ng
this
mga
is the
tao, are
X1.
there accessories available daw for it?
Yes, and we take pride in the fact that we create the accessories ourselves.
Ah.
Since we have the blueprints, we have the schematic diagrams of the phones, we can specify yung exact fit tsaka yung finish ng mga
Is it
accessories
available now
namin.
in the market, accessories? or
Right
not
now,
yet?
usually nauna yung product itself. And then we follow through with the accessories.
Ano yung case na gamit mo dyan? Case
This
ba yan?
one, actually, I have to confess, this is yung flip case na kasama ng X1.
Ano, biniyak mo?
I just tore it out.
Yan yung pinagmamalaki ng schematics.
I do not recommend that you do this.
yan ang pinagmamalaki ng schematics.
DIY.
Tear it off.
Yes.
Di ba, nabalitaan ko, nakita ko ata sa page nyo, may
Yes.
may mga bootleggers nang gumagawa ng
Yes,
sarili nilang
it's a very crucial and serious issue. You should avoid buying bootleg Star Mobile accessories because yung suppliers ito have not been guaranteed or accredited by Star Mobile, and especially since batteries ang involved. These are the most volatile parts of yung.
Yeah.
of
Can I
the
just
phone,
say,
diba?
I was talking with, I was in a meeting earlier with one of the officials of Makati. Tapos kwento nila, naalala niyo yung sunog sa may Guadalupe just a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
Alam niyo ano nag-cause nun? Charger ng telepono.
Sana naman di
Faulty charger.
Siguro malalaman yun.
Wala naman yata tayong picture, no?
Ang daming ganun na nangyayari,
Yes.
di ba?
Oo.
The last time yung may namatay dahil sa habang
Ang hirap kasi
nag-charge.
minsan, hindi naiisip ng tao na parang
Lumapit ka sa microphone.
sorry. Na nakakatipid ka dun sa initial cost, pero
Yung long
masisira
term.
yun. May chance na masisira yung phone mo or whatever. And it's something na has been plaguing the gadget industry for a long time. And even when people are sinusubukan silang educate, they just don't see the
It's
short term
yan eh.
kasi nakikita nila, oh, mas mura to.
Yeah, it's the parang it's really very conscious tayo talaga sa price dito sa
Yes.
Pilipinas,
Yes.
sobra. So even if
Pero
may
you
konting
sacrifice
maano lang,
quality.
Yun nga So
Diba?
more
Huwag na sunugin ang bahay.
Ha?
Bilhin
Mas
na
magastos yun.
Mas
in the end.
magastos, correct. Tama si Nicole. Pero by the way, last na, before we move on to your big reveal kung ano man yung share mo. Another thing pala that causes a fire madalas, kasi kausap ko din namin yung Fire Bureau Protection thingy. Alam niyo yung mga water dispenser? Yung may nilalagay kang water, tapos pag inihayaan mo pala nakasaksak yun nang walang tubig, umiinit siya.
Oh.
So always make sure daw that there's water na nandun sa dispenser.
Yeah.
Kasi kung wala daw water, iniinit at sumasabog daw yun.
Parang weird na
Oh my
magiging
goodness.
cause ng fire pagka.
Correct. Water
Dahil sa
dispenser.
Yeah,
Pag na-on siguro yung heater, walang hiniheat.
Okay, so tama na tayo sa mga public service announcements. So Elijah, baka meron ka bang gustong pakitang bagong gadgetry?
Ngayon plug muna tayo. On
sige.
Wednesday, we will be having a launch. Ito pare. I'll give you something, a clue.
Okay.
It will be an octa-core device.
Yun.
But yung octa-core is actually one of its more minor selling points.
Octa-core with LTE.
Oh my God, may
One
LTE
off.
na rin kayo?
Octa-core will be one of its more minor.
Alam mo, hinuhuli
Alam mo, nag-media training na.
Hindi siya
Ayoko
Eh,
maganti.
alam mo kanina pa, kahapon pa actually tinatanong yan.
Nag-media training na, no?
Medyo magaling.
na.
No, it will be a selling point, of course. Joke lang yung minor, of course. Diba? So, it will be an amazing phone. It's gonna be our most awesome smartphone ever. So, of course,
Nagtatransform.
for that?
for devices, and I brought one of them with me right now. This isn't the octa-core device, but this is the Engage 7 Lite.
Ooh.
So this is Star Mobile's smallest, lightest, and thinnest entry-level tablet. So,
It's so small.
really, yeah, it's so small. No, it's going to be complementary to the Engage 7 Plus, which is our entry-level tablet right now. But as mentioned, it's light, it's small, so it's perfect for kids then, for the first-time tablet user.
Ano yung specifications?
This is dual core, same as the 7 Plus, and of course we called it light because of the weight, and meron din siyang lighted logo, which is of course one of the more
Yeah, you always have that, right?
parang aesthetically,
Yeah.
it's one of the more demanded na.
Ano yung nakakabit sa side? Is that built-in or is
This
that a
one,
case?
no, this is an optional flip case.
Flip case
Yes,
siya.
so it will be sold as a separate accessory.
Pero ba't umiilaw kahit may case?
Hindi naman, tumatagos siya. It's translucent eh. Yung
This one,
mismo.
the
Yes.
case, yeah.
So you can still see yung details sa likod. You can see yung 7 Lite. You can see yung Star Mobile, even in the dark. Of course, mas maganda.
In the dark.
Yes. Oh, ito.
So pretty.
Yan.
So magkano benta nito?
How much?
This one is below 4K.
Whoa.
Below 4K. So,
okay.
we're being very aggressive, especially sa entry level. And we really believe na yung demands of the entry level market, the 7 Lite answers, and it suits them perfectly.
Perfect.
Minumodel.
Mamaya gusto kong
Ano pa,
mamaya
paano
gusto
ba ito
kong tingnan
inaalis?
eh.
It snaps off. Yan.
Oh, tingnan natin ang itsura ng likod.
Yes.
So, ano siya? Ano ba to? Medyo
Is it matte?
faux aluminum.
Faux brushed
faux-
aluminum.
Faux
Ah,
brushed
okay.
aluminum. Tapos, nandito yung Engage 7 Lite. We have a 2 megapixel camera here. Ito yung umiilaw na Star Mobile logo.
Yes, that
Sinusundan
has
nyo pa ba yung pag-red quad-core?
Yes, for quad-core, we're still following.
Pag Octa?
For Octa, wala pang standard ngayon. So, probably hindi na namin
yun
tutuloy.
yung
Hindi nyo natutuloy
aabangan
siguro.
namin, yes.
Tapos sa sides niya, andito lahat ng I.O. May HDMI port, oh.
Nandiyan, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. It has
Fairness.
a 1 gigabyte RAM and 8 gigabytes of internal memory then. So, we're slowly veering away from 4. 8 na yung nagiging standard for tablets.
Oh, actually,
Well,
tot
dapat
kailangan
lang.
yun eh.
Oo, kasi kahit na anong sabihin mong expandable or whatever.
Hindi kasi-
Ang hirap pa
Matibay
rin
din
eh.
to.
Yes.
Sige.
the thing when we create our devices, first of all, when we get the parang yung tinatawag namin na golden sample, that's like semi-finished na yung product. We open them up, we check yung innards kung tama yung pagkaka-solder, tama yung pagkaka-paste ng mga gamit. And then we drop test. So, hindi lang siya basta-basta na, take it as is. We really specify which ones need to be improved. We have someone in the office who can read motherboards.
Anong read motherboards?
Parang
Motherboard.
alam niya, pag tinignan niya kung pangit
Kung okay
or
or-
maganda yung
yeah.
pagkakagawa.
Yung layout.
Yes, yung layout, yung pagkaka-solder.
Pag tinitingnan niya,
So,
it
parang-
talks to him.
Ito na.
Hello, friend.
Nakakita doon.
Motherboard whisperer.
Okay, so is this out in the market already or not yet?
We're officially launching on Wednesday,
Wednesday.
maybe end of the month. In the end of the month, it will be in stores nationwide.
Oh, malapit na rin.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
kasama to sa mga i-showcase nyo on Wednesday.
Yes, it will be.
How many devices again?
This time around, only 4.
Only
So we
4.
can focus more on the what's good
The
Oh, can I just say overload yung ginagawa nyo
Nice.
before
Ano
eh?
yun? May 8?
Make it great.
So, octa-core na.
Octa-core na talaga.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So minor lang yung octa-core. Hindi, joke lang.
Relatively.
Relatively.
Yeah.
Relatively.
Sige.
Relatively.
I-grill pa kita, ma'am.
May projector. Naalala niyo yung Samsung Beam?
Ay, yeah.
Yung may projector.
That was like 2 years ago.
May part 2?
Meron daw. Official na ba yun?
Lumabas yung leak, may nag-leak na device, meron daw
May
gumawa sila.
magkakaroon
Apparently,
daw.
meron pa ring market for that.
Wow, Gumawa na kayo ng projector phone. Star Mobile.
Pare,
Talagang
pare,
stars!
Remember what you said, Remember what you said.
Ano yung sinabi ko? Gagawa kayo ng projector phones?
Remember those words, Remember those words.
Pag pindutin mo, may stars na lalabas! That's so gay! No offense to to our gay listeners, naaliw lang talaga ako sa concert. Parang, woo! Pag pindutin mo, stars!
Ang dami kong t-shirt tonight, para sa inyo.
Oh.
Wait.
Wait, kasama yun?
Tandaan niyo yun?
Kasama yun dun
Oo,
sa...
kasama ba yun?
No.
Yung batch na to.
Sige, I can say that.
Abangan na nga natin, ayaw magsalita eh.
Next month or 2,
Kahit
perhaps.
upuan ko yan, hindi magsasalita eh. Talaga hindi magsasalita pag upuan ko yan, dead na siya. But anyway, so Elijah, ano pa? So we'll basically have to wait until Wednesday to hear everything else.
Yes.
Kasi yung boss mo dati yung mahilig impromptu.
Oo,
Oh, look at this!
Siya,
This is the
pwede-
Star Mobile Night. Oh, I was
yung
not
night
supposed to
na
say
sabi
that.
na niya, diba? Yun, pwede siyang madulas eh.
Ito
Pero
hindi eh.
ito hindi eh.
Magaling.
Iba yung dating kasi
Ang
kapag
sarap.
Iba yung dating kapag merong element of surprise talaga eh. So,
Element of
Wednesday
surprise.
talaga. Wednesday.
Okay, by the way guys, we'd like to take this opportunity lang to announce na we'll be giving away Star Mobile Diamond X1 soon on Unbox. We're just finalizing the mechanics. Of course, it's a giveaway sponsored by
Star Mobile.
Star Mobile.
Reach for the
So,
star.
Alam mo, first time
Stores
kita
and
na-meet,
kiosks
never ko
nationwide.
inakalang darating ang panahon na tumatagline ka na. ha?
Actually, yes.
Kayo, kilala niyo to na mas matagal sa akin eh.
course,
Imagine yung
yes.
ba't
Ay,
tumatagline?
sabi
Ay, sila lalo na silang
Magkasama kami sa T3 so in case hindi nyo alam.
Yes.
Yeah, magkasama kami sa Summit Media pa lang.
Yes,
T3?
Lucky ako ni Alora.
Ay, pumasok sa utok ko yung mga tulfo.
Hindi yun.
Diba may show sila sa TV5, T3 din yung title.
Iba naman yun.
Oo,
T3
diba?
tapos naging techie. Yun.
So, anyway, so
There.
abangan nyo na lang Wednesday. We'll be, of course, writing about it on Yahoo, Philippine Star,
Yes.
ano pa ba, Speed, Unbox. Ano pa
Yeah.
pwede natin represent? may susunod pa, hindi ko pwede sabihin, pero may isa pang parating. So,
Yeah.
we'll write about it so you can expect it on Wednesday. And of course, follow the Twitter accounts of everybody here. Kasi more often naman will tweet what's
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
no? So, abangan nyo na lang. Baka gusto mo lang plug yung Facebook page ninyo. Alam niyo ba naalala mo ba yung URL?
Yes, it's www.facebook.com/StarMobilePhones. So,
Star Mobile Phones or
yes.
Happy Man?
You can also search for it as Happy Man by Star
okay.
Mobile. So, but we fixed
Yung
the
official,
URL. Yeah.
okay.
Ano nangyari kay Happy Man?
okay.
Happy Man is still there, of course. Very
But-
happy. No, but nagkaroon na siya ng friend. If you notice, meron kaming isang
Boy
pinupush
Android.
yun, si Boy Android. So,
Oh,
best
yeah,
friend
yeah,
siya ni
yeah.
Happy Man. So, dalawa na
So,
sila.
dalawa na sila. So, hindi na pwedeng Happy
hindi na
Man
pwedeng
lang.
Happy
Baka
Man lang.
maging
Oo.
jealous yung isa.
Before,
Boy Android, para ibang demographic naman yung inaano niya.
before we let you go, can I just say, I've known Elijah for a while. And the way he talks now, yung confidence niya, tsaka yung diba
It's
mo?
so different.
Very, very different.
Very different.
So,
Salamat
congratulations, man.
Thank you,
I am
thank
sure you're very happy where you are and you're doing well.
Yes.
And Kami, well, sila, your peers. Yes. There's a journalist side.
Yeah, we're always here.
Ako, your fan. We just want to say na we're very, very, sincerely, we're very, very proud of you.
Oh, thank you.
And very happy for your success. So palakpakan naman natin si
Elijah Mendoza.
Pare, I'm happy with you guys as well. I mean, improve na yung studio natin.
Oo nga eh, di
More
ba?
cameras. And, may computer na sa harap.
Oo, dati.
Dati whiteboard lang. Di ba?
Meron pa kaming ganito, oh. Di ko lang alam. Ano ba nangyari pag ganun ko to?
Mo
Oy.
tayo ng audio.
Ay,
Di ba dati? Parang yung... Oh my God!
sorry. Ginagulog-gulog ko. So may effect talaga. Akala ko props lang siya.
Gumagana pala to.
Gumagana talaga to.
Wala pa rin yung laugh track. Hindi salutin namin yung may tatawa.
Meron?
Kailangan natin magdala ng laugh track.
Ah, okay.
Walang, okay.
Next week, iPad, di ba ikakabit? Pwede tayo maglagay ng sound effects.
Oh, okay. Oh.
Okay. But anyway, thank you, Elijah, for dropping by. We hope to see you again on Wednesday and succeeding episodes of Fun
As
Box.
well, yeah.
Yes.
At wag ka muna umalis ha. May kukwento ako sa'yo. So, tambay ka lang doon. So, so thank you again to Mr. Elijah Mendoza. Palakpakan ulit natin. So, our next guest, talagang dire-diretso lang tayo, no? Our next guest will be from T-H-L. Ano yung sabihin nun? Technology, happy life.
Oh, okay.
Di ba? Di nyo alam yun, no?
May happy din. Happy man yung isa. Yung
tayo
isa.
masaya.
So, we're so happy. Dapat yung Pharrell video talaga yung play natin ngayon, no? Swak na swak. Yung pinanood ko sa Leyte.
Hindi mo. Yun yung
Hindi ko na-download. But anyway, of course, joining us will be Mr. Adrian Lim. And I'd like to call back on... Kailangan bigyan natin ng pangalan tong table. The Console. Mr. Ison De Guzman. And they'll be the ones running you guys through this segment. I'll be back in a bit. So,
Ay, nako.
ako lang yung magko-commercial ha.
May commercial.
Sila tuloy sila. So, hoy Ison, pumunta ka dito. Okay, game. Adrian.
Napaka-professional
Performance si Adrian.
talaga.
Yay!
Ako, baka masila ako sa Happy Legs. Ay,
Okay, how are you?
I'm good. Finally, I get to meet the legendary Alora.
Oh, bakit legendary naman ito? Para naman akong para naman
Meron
akong
ka, you're a myth.
old.
Yes.
Lagi
because-
kasi wala kapag ano.
Oh, yeah, the last time
Yeah.
before the episode, diba? I was I think I was out of the country then.
And the last time you were also busy with the Technostorm event.
Yeah, I forgot. So that was November, I guess. Yeah, around that time. Yeah. So how has it been ba from that time till now? Kumusta naman?
Obviously, everybody's aware with our nightmare before, but awa ng Diyos, we are slowly recovering from that dilemma, and we finally got to have this few surprises that we want to present to our loyal Unbox watchers and listeners.
Yes. So can you tell us about that?
Well, right now, this is the T200, by
Okay.
the way. And the company has decided also, I don't know, it will be in your discretion how to dispose of it or what kind of promo or mechanic.
How to dispose?
Wow, dispose
Parang
talaga.
tinatawan. Nagkaturan ako dito. Dito wala.
Hindi, sa ano, sa bag na
Pwede
lang.
din sa bag ko.
Mas malaki yung bag ko.
Well, actually, that's the T200. It is my personal unit.
Yun.
Yun.
Okay.
Wow.
So it's a
Papapagay ba
fabric.
natin to?
We'll find out.
We will let you know.
Stand
Ano
by.
sabi ni Carlo? Ay, sabi ni Carlo kanina.
I don't know. We'll find out.
We'll find out later as soon as
If
he
we're gonna give this
comes
away.
back. Because nako, ang lolo nyo, merong
Magtatrabaho.
con-call.
Magtatrabaho
Kaya wala
ba?
siya, kaya nandun siya ngayon.
Iniwan
Oo.
kami.
But he's gonna come back in a few minutes. Anyhow,
Wow.
yes?
Well, this is the
Maganda yung
thing.
ano, ah.
Wow.
Okay, so...
Yung...
So we're basically gonna unboxing this one. This
Well,
other
this is
one.
the 6-inch version of our powerhouse, that THL T200.
Yeah.
This is a MediaTek powered 6592 octa-core processor.
yeah.
And it features a 2GB RAM, 32GB internal, and expandable up to 64GB. And it also has OTG function. And of course, the screen is 6 inches, protected by Gorilla Glass 3, and it's a full HD 1020 by
IPS.
IPS screen.
IPS, okay.
And the camera actually, this is a 13 megapixel rear and 8 megapixel front camera.
Okay.
And it also features a Sony Blue Lens filter.
Sony Blue Lens
filter.
So what does it do?
Well, actually, it's kind of similar to the BSI type camera sensors.
Okay.
So it captures images better in low lighting conditions.
Okay. So, but which one is better? Kung
Well,
parang
actually,
ganun siya.
for me, I haven't really tinkered with the BSI camera, and
Oo.
nowadays it's really hard to tell which is which. Well, people have been questioning the interpolated resolutions.
Yeah,
okay,
yeah,
so
yeah.
let me shed some light about interpolation.
Yes, please.
So because right now, if you can, I don't know if it can we zoom in?
Zoom in.
Can we?
Ito.
Dito lang.
Saan
dito,
ba?
dyan.
Ay, dito pala. Sorry naman.
Daming camera kasi.
Oo.
Basta yung may red light.
Kaya ba?
Kaso nag-reflect, no? Ah, hindi.
Yeah, medyo.
Man,
Yeah.
Oo, hindi ata.
No, dun sa actual stream, okay. Pero
Okay siya.
ganun lang yan.
I see.
Okay, sige. Kung ano man siya, sige. Sana makita nyo.
Yeah, well, anyway, medyo hard, no? I'll
Yeah,
just
just-
show I'll activate the camera. So this is the rear camera. So right now, the hardware mode is set at 13 megapixel.
13.
So we're marketing this product as a 13 megapixel rear camera.
Okay.
But the software side of it, you can there's an optional 18 megapixel interpolated resolution.
And kung kaya mong
In layman's terms.
Yeah, in layman's
So
terms.
I mean, paano, how do I put this into
Kaya mo yan.
kind
Kaya.
words?
Kaya mo yan. Para at least
Because we don't really promote this as an 18 megapixel camera phone.
Yeah.
Because if people read a lot, they will find out that 6592 chipsets by MediaTek can only support
30.
maximum resolutions of 16.
Yeah,
actually.
yeah, 16.
So if you hear that there's a 18 megapixel powered MediaTek processor, that 6592,
Ano na yun?
then that's interpolated.
Yes.
So in fact, this is a living proof that this is an interpolated resolution, 18 megapixel. But we never promoted it as an 18 megapixel.
You just promote it as 13
because that's the
megapixel.
actual hardware.
Yeah.
Which is a blue lens filter.
Uh-huh.
And on the front side of it, actually the true hardware is 8 megapixel, but it can go all the way up to 13 when interpolated.
Sir,
Oh.
let's talk about nung ginawa namin yung initial post about the device. You actually included a lot of extras with it. Can you talk about the extras na kasama niya?
Well, I believe you were referring to the younger brother, the Monkey King 2.
Baka
Oh.
Because this is the T100S and this is the T200S.
200.
So T100S is 5-incher. This is a 6-incher.
Hindi, actually, sir, nung nakita ko sa Facebook page nyo,
yeah.
yung battery ng mga kasama.
Yes.
Ah,
Okay.
Ang peg nyo, bawal malobat.
Yeah,
Basically.
actually, yung bawal malobat, that's the fans who were begging not
Oo nga
us. No? So, well, that's how it goes now. Pero so, ito.
Yeah, what's the battery again?
The battery of this one is 2,500 milliampere. But every standard THL that is user replaceable batteries comes with 2 of those.
So, dalawang battery.
So, dalawang
Also,
battery.
all your products ba has
That
two?
are user replaceable.
Okay.
So aside from that, a special treat to all of our loyal fans, we'll also be throwing in a 20,000 milliampere.
20,000.
Yes.
Oh, yung mga magsasabi malolobat pa kayo, ewan ko na lang.
Pag nalubat pa kayo dyan, ewan ko na.
Pwede ba yan start yung kotse ko?
Well, actually, this is the...
Goodness! I'll just buy it for that.
Diba? Parang, sir, magkano yung retail niya?
The 20,000...
Hindi, I mean the phone.
this
phone.
one? Okay, surprise treat, it's only 14,999 for the first 100.
For the first 100.
For the first 100.
Okay, but how do they get that? Like, online? For first
Actually,
100?
it started today.
Okay.
We announced last week, and I'm not sure how it's doing to the other shops because we only picked 3
Wait,
shops.
itong 100 na to, 100 each shop? Or
No,
100
100
all?
100 all.
So, pag
100 all.
naubos na yung 100, ano yung price na akin
The
niya?
price will be, the regular is 17,999, but we're still thinking about it kasi maraming nagre-request, sana may round 2.
That one,
okay.
oo. Pero meron ding ganito pa rin?
Yan yung i-decide pa. Kasi kung i-ano namin, maybe we won't include this anymore. But depende pa eh. Nasa marketing, ano.
Pero,
hindi
pero sir, yung mga talagang ayaw malobat. Pwede ba nilang bilhin? Pwede ba nilang bilhin to extra?
How much ba yan?
Actually, this is not the this is for size reference because the one that we're giving is the analog version. This is the
Okay.
digital version that I'm still testing.
Okay,
Analog,
okay.
yun yung may ano, positive
Yung may
tsaka
4
negative.
Grabe ka naman.
Hindi yan yung may
Motoline.
Loko-loko ka,
20,000
Isa na.
din. This one kasi has a digital meter. So
Okay.
you'll find out how many percent pa.
Yung isa, walang
Yung isa
Wala.
wala, parang 4 na LED lights. lang
okay.
sa
Which is
loob.
basically a normal
basically
power bank.
Yeah,
Yung
yeah.
normal power bank.
So,
Pero
yun,
ito ba-
yun binibenta nyo ba yun? Separate.
Right now, hindi. Kasi parang sponsored ng ano eh, THL.
Okay.
Kaya nga.
So, we don't have really an actual price ano. But this one, I believe itong version, once na review ko na siya kung okay siya, will be selling for around 2,500 pesos.
Not bad.
bad.
For 20,
Bad.
for not
20,000 milliamp.
Pagka-charge mo!
20,000. Alam mo, yung pinakamalaki na meron ako, 12,000 lang.
Walang
So,
sinabi yun.
Walang sinabi.
yun.
Mas marami
Parang
pa talaga
idea.
sa laptop natin.
Actually, I've been using this for 2 days pa lang. And not fully charged ko na yung phone twice. And
Meron pa? Tingnan mo.
79.
Wow, 79%
Yeah,
pa.
kasi yung 12,000 ko nga, ilang beses na akong...
Ba't parang mas
beses
interesado
na
tayo sa battery pa kaysa nung
Sorry, kasi minsan lang kami makakita.
Hindi,
ng
kasi
ano
alam
eh.
nyo, yan yung lumalabas kasi palagi lahat tayo nasusubukan na natin, nasa gitna na tayo ng araw, tapos biglang,
Wala
20%, mamamatay na.
Hindi, kasi
Diba?
very important sa atin yung issue ng battery.
Yes.
yes, true.
Yeah, so...
kasi lahat tayo, nasubukan na natin mawala ng battery na kailangan natin yung telepono natin.
Exactly. So it's
Yes.
always, okay, we've always seen a lot of, smartphones,
we always
but when
see
it comes to...
smartphones, pero...
Pagdating sa battery kasi, yun yung nagkakaproblema tayo.
Yeah, true. Kasi
Yes, yes.
laging in question sa atin, how long does it last?
Yeah.
Yung
Yes.
2,000. Lalo
Yeah,
na
exactly.
It's a
Yun yung
6-inch
question
HD
talaga
screen.
eh.
Well, ito, my personal experience, I've tried this with Wi-Fi on, and I downloaded the whole day, roughly over 4 gigabyte of data.
Yeah.
And it lasted me 7 hours with dual SIM card on at the same time.
Okay, tapos
Dual-
Wi-Fi to.
Wi-Fi
Alright.
and 3G.
Uh-huh.
Okay. And right now, I'm testing this without turning on the Wi-Fi, without turning on the 3G. So
how many
plainly
percent na lang?
calls and text lang, a lot of calls. So since 8 o'clock in the morning until now, it's still at 40%.
Wow.
Pwede.
With
Not
a lot
bad.
of calls. With a lot of
40%,
calls.
oo.
And well, actually, we kind of got lost coming here. So for
Oh my God,
about
pareho tayo.
Sir,
Kasi first
nag-Waze
time
ba
ko
kayo?
pumunta dito.
Nag-Waze
Hindi,
kayo?
I'm using Google Maps.
Okay.
Okay.
So okay naman. So I turn it on for a couple
Just
of
for that.
minutes.
Turn right,
So
happy
okay pa
town.
naman, 40.
Kasi ang napansin ko, ang malakas talaga mag-drain ng battery is Waze.
Ah.
Whenever I use it
I don't
with my,
use
with
it.
my Galaxy S4, I need to have it plugged to my car or after a while.
Patay.
Mainit na yung phone
Yeah,
ko,
yeah.
patay pa siya,
Oo.
mamamatay talaga.
I don't use
So,
Waze kasi, so I don't know.
Well,
Yeah.
so far the lock on the GPS is kind of decent naman. So this is what I used earlier, and it's a Google Maps.
So maganda yung ano niya ha, maganda yung screen
So
ha.
we have a
Maganda yung likod,
Oo.
we have a lock now.
Yung
Ano yung
likod niya,
texture ng
texture
likod?
siya.
you know what? The back actually reminds me of the Galaxy S5.
Galaxy!
Sorry.
Galaxy, diba? Yeah.
It looks a lot like the Galaxy
It's a
S5
same.
sa
Yeah, yeah,
Sorry.
Parang dimple.
Wala naman kulay
there's
bronze.
no-
Walang
black,
kulay
black,
bronze.
black.
No?
So black
Ah,
and
so
white.
dalawa
Black and white,
to.
okay, okay.
Black and white.
Black and white.
Okay.
Walang-
So you're not
walang ganito.
planning on
Walang ganyan kulay.
offering other colors?
Right now, these are the only colors that are available because
Okay.
we're also dependent from our supplier.
So you can't choose ba like
Well, there are only 2 colors to choose from. Ang marami kaming different colors is the T5 version, which is the entry level smartphone.
okay.
Which is below 5,000 pesos. And you get a dual core cell phone. Kasi some of our markets are demanding for a cheaper entry level smartphones.
Yeah.
So that's why we decided to, which by the way,
ito yung dual core.
yung mga dual core. We
Yeah.
also have a quad core version of a T5. And by the way, it will be also sponsored by our company for any game that you guys
Pwede.
So generous.
Aside from
Pwede,
this
pwede.
one.
Very prizes.
Pwede.
Yep, especially for Sir Carlo.
Sir, may tanong lang kami.
Yes,
Kasi
yes.
may mga nagtatanong din minsan sa Facebook page namin. Yung mga products na available ba sa Visayas, sa Mindanao?
Actually,
Sa mga ganun?
unfortunately for now, we don't have actual shops in outside Luzon.
Okay.
But what we have for them is they can order online via Lazada.
Okay.
Because we are in part of the marketplace in Lazada. So once we posted these items, and then people can avail of it.
So, paano
But
sir
are-
yung
Sige.
sorry.
It's okay.
Paano yung tawag dito, yung aftermarket nila kung may problema sila? paano nila papabalik?
Yan yung challenge, no? So sometimes what others are doing, they ship it back to us, and then we pay parang shoulder half yung one way na
Half
Para
of, you know,
pagbalik, kukunin nila.
the fee.
Yes. So when we do that kasi we double check yung quality control so that para iwas yung minsan kasi they complain something low bat and everything, but yung pala is
Kasalanan nila.
user negligence. They charge it using their laptops and then they complain it never gets full. So
Siyempre naman, oo.
Ay,
Hindi talaga.
Nahulo ko doon. Parang laptops or PCs, they only produce 500 milliampere out.
Exactly.
And that's not enough to fully charge.
Fully charge.
So yun yung mga common na,
Last
for us
question.
it's easy, di ba?
Accessories.
Okay, accessories. Well, aside from the 2,500 milliampere, it comes with an in-ear earphone, and of course standard cable, travel charger, and lastly,
Meron pa.
Cases.
Meron pa.
Wow,
Meron
ang
pa,
dami.
meron pa.
sorry nagamit ko isa.
NFC tag.
It comes with 2 NFC tags.
Oh, okay.
So, well, I'm not sure if it's fully utilized in the Philippines.
No.
Not-
yeah,
not-
Actually,
Not
I
so
find this
much.
really cool, no? Kasi you can program basically anything. For example, I have a command on here. I use my T100. I have a command. I download Trigger pala, no? So Trigger is this app. I don't know if it can be seen,
Okay.
that icon.
Dapat doon, di ba?
Ah, yeah.
Yeah. The
There you
other,
go.
there you go.
There.
There you
Yeah,
go.
Trigger. So I download Trigger, and basically you can assign. There.
Okay.
Okay, you
So
can
you can
assign
assign?
you can assign a lot of commands using NFC tag. So for example, if you tag us once, it can connect to the Facebook fan page of ours, send a text message to my number or to any number, and add a calendar event.
Wow.
So for example, I tag this. There you go.
Wow.
Sorry, wala palang SIM card.
Walang zero.
Nandito sa
Hindi pwede mag-text.
Sir,
Kaya-
so basically, kunyari, dalawa naman yan. Pwede
Yes.
ako magbigay ng isa sa tag sa bahay, isa tag sa office.
Yes,
Pag tinag ko yung, dinikit ko yung phone ko sa office, mag-turn on siya office mode.
Yes,
Pag
yes,
nasa
yes.
bahay na ako,
Correct,
Home.
exactly.
Yeah.
For
Yeah,
example, for home kasi, what I do, like yung office mode ko, I tap it once, it will deactivate my 3G, and then activate Wi-Fi and connect to the Wi-Fi sa office.
Oh,
And
yeah.
so at least
Ma-manage yung battery.
Yeah, ma-manage yung battery. Pag car mode naman, you can tap it, it will enable 3G, and then it will enable Google Maps para maging GPS navigator siya.
Exactly.
So, and
Yeah,
for
yeah.
our stores naman, what we intend to do, when people have a NFC device, they tag on that dun sa special place, and they can avail of a promo or a freebie right away.
Wow.
Wow.
So
Naman
high-tech.
Okay,
So-
bigay mo yung
Ano
number
naman
mo.
yan?
Pero NFC.
Or for those who wants to impress some ladies, so for example, ay, tag and get a special promo, yung pala ite-text niya yung number
number.
niya.
Yung number.
Tinuturuan mo yung
Boy,
mga
pick
ano
up.
ah.
Yeah, diba?
Magaling
Actually,
na,
minamaster ko
magaling.
nga para...
Will you be selling the NFC tags?
Actually, it's not for sale, it's free.
It's free.
Yeah.
For every unit of T200
Pero
and
So
T100.
there are
Two tags.
Two tags.
Actually, this can be peeled off. So, for example, linagay ko to sa any card. So, yun, okay siya. You can actually stick this anywhere. It's like a sticker. There's a parang RFID na sobrang nipis. It's really cool. Kasi in China, they use this to pay for bills.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fares, MRTs, even Xiaomi. You people
I
purchase.
finally saw one. I finally saw a Xiaomi when I went home.
Yung nga, di ba, yung
Yeah.
Xiaomi, it's,
Oo.
they have this, they have their own currency called Mi Credits.
Okay.
So people, they exchange their money or credit card buying Mi Credits, and you can use the Mi Credits
Totoo yan.
for transportation.
Exactly.
Na mas cheaper minsan, may ibang ang dami cool din eh.
Alam mo, maganda sana kung may gumagawa ng calling cards na may NFC tag sa loob.
Yeah,
Yun na lang
possible.
Yun na lang bibigay mo.
mahal lang.
Parang talagang kailangan mo.
Kasi
Isa lang,
$1 a tag.
Pwede ko bigay sa'yo, sorry.
It's $1 a tag, more or less.
Medyo mahal.
Yeah, medyo
nga,
mahal
40
siya.
pesos.
So, again, this is the...
This is the T200, the 6-inch true octa-core, and this is the T100, the 5-inch true octa-core. So main differences, of course, aside from
The
the screen
size.
size, the battery. Okay, ito pala may special battery later. I'll explain, no. But in terms of camera, this has dual 13 megapixel camera, front and back.
Okay.
So, yeah, legacy ng Monkey King. This is actually the tag as Monkey King 2. So, maintaining the dual 13 megapixel, this one 13 and 8, mas lower end yung camera. But this one kasi, ang
Ayun,
battery,
yung
niya, ito yung pinagkagulan ng tao. Pero, unfortunately, there's a mix-up in the shipment. It uses silicone anode. So, 2,700 milliampere ang battery nito.
Wow.
So this is a NASA space grade battery. So according to them, the advantages are double the charging cycle.
Charging
Double
cycle.
charging.
Approximately 500 kasi ang normal. This will be more or less
Around 900.
900 more or less charging cycles. And of course, the same thickness and size, pero higher capacity. Kasi yung standard nito is 2.3 mAh. For the NASA battery, it's 2.7. So
For the
actually,
same size,
for the same size.
More capacity.
Imagine this small phone, 2.7, ito 2.5
2.5 lang.
Mas higher ang capacity.
Oo.
Ito kasi I've used 3G on the whole day. I downloaded constantly. Yung wala pang cap sa Globe na 1 gig. Bad trip yun eh. Bad trip yun.
Ay.
Peace. Sana ibalik.
lang kami.
Sana ibalik.
Okay kami ni Ethan, ha?
Sana ibalik. Kasi hassle lang. Kasi hindi naman natin inaabuso. Pero minsan kailangan mo. Minsan lang inaabuso.
At minsan inaabuso.
Abuso pa rin.
Minsan inaabuso. So,
Kasi sayang
depende na lang.
Yun nga, yung pag with 3G on for this battery 2.7, it lasts me mga 11 hours.
Wow.
Wow.
That's actually
That's
a very
a lot.
long time.
Oh my God. Si Apple lang, Diyos ko. Sige, good luck. Ilang oras
Kahit
lang.
WeChat.
Yung phone ko, yung Galaxy S4 minsan, maabot ng mga 8 hours. Pag talagang kahit yung pag ginagamit ko palagi LTE,
Yeah.
sandali lang. Hindi talaga siya...
Ito, hindi na aabot
Maghahanap na talaga ako ng
hindi na
plan
nga
at
abot
the
ng
end of
5
the day.
hours to kung palagi naka-on yung ano eh. Wala.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
We have to wrap it up. So,
Alright.
do you have
Ay, bakit?
anything
Eight
else
na ba?
to...
Well, ito, final test ko. Kasi di ba ang Note 3 kilala sa stylus?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So, and this is somewhat reminiscent of a Note 3
Yes, it
texture.
looks like
Yes.
one.
Looks like one.
And
So,
it feels like one at the
if,
back.
if a Note 3 has a stylus, I have my own S Pen. So, ito nga, yung...
Uy!
Yan na naman tayo eh!
this is
Pwedeng pumatay!
This is my S Pen. It's a tactical Smith & Wesson Extreme
Kuya, wag
Ops.
po. Kuya, wag.
Like I mentioned in the earlier episodes when
Yeah.
you were not present,
Yeah.
I use this to handle customer complaints.
Okay.
Ang ganda,
Oh, dear.
ng pag-handle nyo, sir,
dear.
ng customer care.
Yeah, so pick a number and yes sir, how can I help you? Yeah, so yeah nga. So I
Parang
always
natatakot ako.
show this to prove that this is really Gorilla Glass 3.
Gorilla Glass.
Yan. So
Tingin nga. Tingin nga.
Oh, ano?
Kinuha niyo ba?
Ano?
Pwede.
Actually, mas interesado ang ganda ng kutsilyo nyo.
Hindi, you try it
Kanina
kung-
yung battery.
Kaya na yung battery, ngayon yung kutsilyo. Ano ba? Teka.
Kanina yung battery ko yun. Alright.
Ayun.
Yeah, kaya I always challenge. Sige, I dare you do this to your own phone to prove.
No.
way.
Alright, thank you very much, sir.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you
much.
so much.
Thank you
And
so much.
finally, I
Yeah.
Finally.
Palakpak!
So,
Medyo hinaibad ako ng konti doon.
ganun na lang.
Ganun
Sabi
na
ni
lang.
Sabi ni Carlo. Dapat nandito ka kasi.
Dito.
Oh, alika. Okay lang yan.
So, tapos na yung con-call mo.
Tapos na yung con-call.
Oo naman sila mo, ano?
Oo, oo.
Deal close.
So, ayun. What you
done.
saw today are... Ay, hindi pala. So ba? Oo nga pala, may tablet from
May
Star
tablet.
May tablet.
Mobile, which is
May,
a
ano,
Engage Lite.
Tapos yung
Yes.
Nokia
And
X.
then Nokia X.
May
and
showbiz.
then-
And
may showbiz.
May showbiz section.
And then yan, the toy. Yes, of course.
Abangan ng Tumblr next year. Next week.
Next year.
Plus DHL na T200S and
Yes.
Monkey
Yes.
King na
T100.
Sa T100S.
T100.
T100S.
And the T200.
Okay.
And the ginormous battery.
And the
The
ginormous.
Oh, it's there!
I swear.
Let's get it.
Kailangan mo niyan.
I need that also.
So, thank you again to all of our guests from Star Mobile and from THL.
Thank you.
Sir Adrian, si Elijah, nauna na.
Yes.
Na misis.
Oh, that's why he
Medyo
texted
late na
me.
Oo, nag-thank you na siya. So, thanks again, everybody. Welcome back to everybody officially. And to the new faces, welcome.
Yes.
And diba? To the old faces.
Welcome pa rin.
Welcome back.
Pa rin.
Pero, so sana naman mahatak natin si Paolo.
Weight loss.
Bakit gusto mo ng weight loss?
Kahit one episode nga on weight
Daw
loss.
siya papunta dito.
Alas.
Oo, weight loss episode with Paolo Montecillo. Panalo yun, panalo, di ba? Kung ano yung mga, ano yung mga weight loss tips niya.
Oo nga eh.
Pwede ko na sabihin eh.
Step
Pero wag
one.
na. I'd let him do that.
Basta abangan natin.
Step 1.
And of course, sa lahat ng mga nanonood since the beginning, nanonood pa rin ngayon. Ako nakaka-touch pa, no, basahin yung mga comments. Alam mo, hinahanap tayo? In fairness, ha?
Yes.
Talaga.
Oo, ang dami
Marami
naghahanap.
naghahanap.
Uy,
Ang dami naghahanap.
Albion Cebu in 2 days, may mamimit. Hindi, tomorrow actually, may mamimit akong viewer natin from Unbox.
Oo, di ba?
Really?
Nanap ka talaga.
Pero alam mo, yung feeling ko na,
Yung ina-add sa Facebook.
yung moment na feeling ko we've made it, one time lang, kailangan ko lang kwento. Yung guard sa building namin sa Salustania Tower sa Makati, pagdating ko, as in, sir, ba't wala na kayo podcast? In fairness, alam mo, wala na si Elijah. Pero pinakita niya sa akin, bumili siya nung Engage TV. Yung may TV na may antena. Kasi daw, pag nagbabantay siya doon, wala daw siya
Wala siya
mapanood. So nagsimula daw siya na TV, tas nung natuto niya na may TV, natutunan niya na paano mag-download, maglagay ng movies. So,
diba?
so ngayon naka-iPad na siya.
Wow!
Kasi, so,
Wow, may iPad siya.
so again, thank you to all of our viewers and welcome to everybody. Thank you to our guests.
Thank you.
See you again next week. Marami kaming bagong papakita
Wait,
ulit.
I'd like to thank TITRA, the Taiwan Council, and the, what do you call this, Epson. Thank you.
Epson.
Nick. Sorry
Go.
Nick, DJ, and Mark. Salamat.
Uy, si Mark, mabait yun. Sobra.
Yeah,
Si
so,
Epson.
Yeah. And Nick, I mean,
Si Epson,
yeah,
si Mark lang
really-
kilala ko eh.
No, he's from Singapore kasi. So
I'm sure he's a good
he
guy.
took care of us there. Even though the event was organized by the Taiwan government. There.
Ooh.
So,
Okay, so abangan. Meron ba kayong gustong batiin o okay na tayo?
Okay na kami.
Okay na kayo? Wala kayo star power ni Alora eh.
Wala eh. Hindi na namin babalikan eh.
Future episodes.
Wala kaming Facebook page ng legs na.
Oo nga.
Gago!
By the way, ang pinipredict ko, magmumura ako.
Ikaw eh.
Oh, tama na. Overtime na tayo.
Sorry.
Thank you.
Episode
Next week.
Thanks,
Peace.
guys. See